It's time for the dry off ritual. Let's go. Let's try that back. Let's try that side. Let's try that underbelly. Let's try those paws and try that jaw and get under the smelly. We're gonna get clean. We're gonna get dry. We're gonna scratch everywhere. And I'm a pup. I just don't freaking care. I just don't freaking care. My name is Jenny and Judy Cricket, and I'm gonna dry off wherever I want. Jimmy, why do you scratch yourself on the carpet like that?
It's like a reward.
Come on, Jimmy. Are you sleeping? Oh, you had a dream?